Good morning, it's Chris from Stockton Land Rover, hope you're well. Wanted to do a brief video of this car. We've just got into part exchange and it's a really nice specification, so definitely worth having a bit of a chat, bit of a walk around on the car. So we're a Defender 90 Dynamic SE D250, so it's a 3 litre straight 6 diesel engine, turbo. Finished in the black. We've got the black plaque and the black lettering on the car, so up on here we've got the checkered plating, and all this finisher down here is nice in a nice black as well. We've got the LED lights, which have got the high beam assist on the car, finishing with the nice gloss black alloy wheels as well. Car has also had some dealer fit accessories, so we've got the classic mud flaps front and rear, and we've also got the black side step as well, fixed for both obviously driver and passenger. 360 cameras are also on this car as a standard, and as you'll see, it looks in really nice condition. Privacy glass, little nod to the previous Defender 90 with the Alpine light there. Car is a fully approved car, so will come with at least 1 year warranty, 2 years if you are financing. Round to the rear of the car, again rear LED lights. We've got the body coloured spare wheel cover as well. If I just go into the rear, I have taken one of the seats down so you can see. So these seats now do fold completely flat after this step here, but your load space is definitely increased on the car, and it's a nice durable material as well. So with it being an approved car, again, you would expect the car not to have any scuff scrapes, certainly no damage on the alloy wheels. Keyless entry is also on the car, and if we just go into the car and look into the rear, I have just put the front seats, two of the seats down, but you can see that there is still plenty of room for the rear occupants as well when the seats are all up. As for the passenger seat in the front, electric seats with the driver, driver and passenger, full ebony leather interior, and we do have the Meridian Sound system on the car as well. If I just jump into the driver's seat, exact mileage on the car today is 9,898 miles, so really low mileage for the year on the car. Up onto the main screen, newest entertainment system, so all your sat nav, your Bluetooth, your media, and also your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is all looked after there. Then you've got your heated front and rear windscreens, all your four-wheel drive systems on here as well, along with your heated seats for the driver and the passenger. And then we've got the auto aircon climate control, and then here we've got a wireless charging area for your mobile phone, and then additional storage just here as well. Full sunroof, which is a sliding sunroof, really nice feature on the car, not standard at all. And then a full interactive driver display on the driver display printout, which has your digital speed. We'll also have your sat nav, your media, or you can tailor it to how you wish. Auto lights, auto windscreen wipers and high beam assist are also on the car, and then we've got adaptive cruise control with speed limiter as well. Two little yellow dots in the mirrors denote blind spot monitor. So all in all, with the 360 cameras, it's a really nice specified car. So I know that's a very brief rundown, but it's a fantastic car. These drive superb with it being the 90 short wheelbase. We can just reserve the car for £99, subject to you having a test drive, looking at part exchange, or even looking at the finance. If you'd like to do that, my name's Chris and the number is 01642 644 444.